Welcome, I'm Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman, and here's today's credit tip brought to you by the folks at Better Qualified. Today we're going to talk about collections, and paying off collections seems like a good thing, and most of the time it is. The problem is if those collections are more than 2 years old, you can actually lower your scores in the short term, believe it or not. So we see this all the time. People come in, maybe a realtor or a loan officer told them that if they were going to purchase a house, that they would need to pay off all collections. So if you have collections, judgments, charge-offs, tax liens, this is a situation where I strongly suggest you seek professional guidance before you take action. Again, paying off collections in the long run is always going to be a good thing, but paying off collections that are more than 2 years old can actually lower your score in the short term. Contact Better Qualified for a free consultation and credit analysis, and we can tell you exactly what to do or not to do. Thanks again. I'm Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman.